Hi everyone, today we're playing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star with the guitar for beginners. First of all, don't forget to subscribe. We will play this song only in one string, the first one, the thinner string. Now look at the frets down here and follow me. And that was Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Go and practice. Bye bye.
No matter how young or how old you are, there is always something on our channel for you. So if you like the piano and music clips you see, subscribe.